everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I had started the video and I'd not pressed record. Good start. I'm doing a tropical, just a lovely tropical set today. So I'm using Nailchemy Genesis acrylic. I have got some glitter from Nailsugar. I'll show you what they are as I go along. So this one is called Sundays. This is my most favourite yellow glitter. Look, isn't that just the business? Oh, it's so nice. So on the pinky, what I'd done was, the yellow that I'm using here is called Begonia. I don't know what I was doing with this nail. I just didn't want to put a PS. I don't know why I'm saying PS. Sorry about all the background noise. I've shut the window. It's not completely shut. It's on the latch. It's open a little bit, but they're knocking down the building across the car park, and we're quite close, and it's very noisy. So I apologise about that. Probably should have done this video, the voiceover, when I got up. I was up early this morning. Don't know what's wrong with me. I didn't shit the bed or anything. So this one, yeah, so the pinky, we done an ombre using Begonia, and Freesia is the pink, Begonia is the yellow, and you get like a nice sort of orangey colour in the middle, which I thought was quite nice. This one I'm doing a full nail of Begonia. I don't know, look, I was super faffy on this nail. Don't know. Anyway, this, I don't know if you can tell, but my nails are still green. The gel polish is green. So I've done this video a little while ago, and I just haven't uploaded it yet. So I don't know why you needed to know that. Over the top of Begonia, we are going to put the beautiful Sundays glitter. So this is literally just going to be a nail of acrylic and glitter. And then I will cap them in a minute. Once I've done the design, I will then go back and cap them. You can cap them as you go. It's entirely up to you. The next glitter that I'm using is called Hippie Dippie. It's the one that I always called Hippie Dippie. It's because of, what's it called, that film? Lego movie. Bad Cop says Hippie Dippie. No, not Bad Cop. Lord President. No, Lord President? President Business. Or Lord... I can't remember his name. President Business, right? He says Hippie Dippie baloney, and it makes me want to say Hippie Dippie. Anyway, God, what's up with me today? So this now is going to be a full nail of Freesia, and then over the top of Freesia, we are going to put don't flood the sidewalls like I do. So over the top of this, we are going to put Dippy Hippie. So we've got a yellow nail and a pink nail. I love this glitter over the Sundays. These nails, the colours, I love them. They're just like, just everything summer. So I want to make sure that the nails are fully covered with glitter. Look at that. Oh, sexy nails. Ooh. Right, now we're going to do another ombre. So what's this one? Begonia is going to go at the free edge. So your neon yellow is going to go at the free edge, and I'm going to blend it up a little bit so that, yeah, I don't know, I was just struggling on this day. This day was a struggle. I wanted that to be a little bit more smooth. So thin out the top where you're going to do, where the ombre will start. And then take some of the neon pink. Now I only took a small bead here. I'm just going to put a small bead where I want that to sort of start. And then I'm going to blend it down. Now don't forget, you can always go back in with yellow. And you can even add a little bit more pink. See, when I do this, I try to work nice and thin in case I mess it up. And I just have to correct it a little bit. And the nice thing about this Freesia is really pigmented anyway. So you can work nice and thin with this one. So I'm just making sure my cuticle's nice and neat, and then I will go back in and I will sort out that blend. So anywhere I want a little bit more pink or a little bit more yellow, I will just add some. I think I'll leave it like that because I thought that was not too bad. I thought that would do, you know. we're gonna paint a palm tree on this one anyway, so it's not the end of the world. And then on the thumb, I'm gonna do a repeat of the middle finger. So this one is gonna be shush digger. This one is gonna be Freesia with the Dippy Hippie glitter. So I shall let you just watch this one. Can you hear it? Oh, it's driving me bananas. Right, now we're going to cap the nails in clear acrylic. I thought I'd leave me capping the pinky in. What if I go in my bathroom? What if I go over here? No, you can still hear it from the boys' room. Here we go. I'm in the hallway now. No, still noisy. Wishful thinking. We're just going to walk around the flat now. Okay, so I filed and buffed them. Now I'm just going to clean off the dust because I get dust everywhere and it likes to stick to my flexi hand. We are now going to use Nailchemy's Artisan Gel Paint. I'm using the black one. We're going to do some silhouettes. I've got my Nail Sugar Natalie Mugridge detailer brush. This is a 000 ultra fine brush. Now I find palm trees are one of the most easiest things to draw for me. We're going to do a trunk. Is it a trunk? A tree trunk. Yeah, it's a trunk, isn't it? You know, the log part of the tree. Can't see because my bloody recording box is in the way. If you use iMovie to do your voiceovers, you'll know what I mean. It's very annoying. I can't even turn the phone on its side because it only seems to want to work in portrait. Right, so for the leaves, I will do the centre. So I will draw what would be the centre of the leaf. And I can't remember what the proper word is for the leaves on a palm tree. I think there are proper words. Someone did mention it in a video once before. Anyway, I then use the brush to do some flicks from the centre of that leaf. What is it called? This is the trouble with me. So sometimes I remember really stupid things, but overall, unless I do something often or see it often, my brain just doesn't like to retain information. It's a bit sad because I feel like potentially I could get Alzheimer's or dementia when I'm older, and that upsets me. Upsets me greatly, actually. I might just have a terrible memory. Well, I do have a bad memory. It's just weird because I remember faces and stuff. I think visually, I'm quite good if I see things, you know, anyway, shut up. Right. So I'm just going to do 4 leaves. So you basically do like 4 little flicks out of the top, and then doing the flicks from the center of those other flicks, you just make this palm tree. And oh, maybe I don't do 4. Look, I'm adding another one here because why not? Let's go mad. Can you see? But I mean, how easy was that? I'm just going to fill in this bottom bit. I was going to leave it, but I thought no, we'll have it coming off the nail because it looks like it's not been finished. There we go. I will pop that into the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Then I felt like we needed something on the pinky as well. So you know where the sun, when you get a sunset, the sun hits the sea and you get the light reflecting off the sea. So what I've done here is we're literally just going to make the sea, but we're doing like little flicky flicks so that you get a hint of that coloured acrylic through it, and it just looks kind of like the sun is hitting that sea. Do you know what I mean? And then we're going to do like a few little birds flying in the, you know, little silhouettes of birds. You can do different size ones. You can do all the same size ones. There we go. Easy peasy. Literally, like I mean, you can just do V's, right? That's all it is. There we go. Stick that in lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Then we're going to use Nailchemy's normal white top coat. I'm not really from Australia. Sometimes when I try and do an Australian accent, I sound like I'm from South Africa. I don't know what it is. I'm just a bit of a tit. So it's top coating time. Clearly the best bit of the whole nail set. I quite like these nails. Makes me just want to go on holiday. Not that I could fly or anything, because I'm a chicken.
Mom.
Hello, my love. Hang on a second. Okay, I think they've gone to lunch, so I'm just going to finish the end of this video now. Oh, peace at last, but it won't last actually. So yeah, just top coating over. This is the one. Look, oh gosh, I have just this. Oh, just look at it. Actually, the pink one's pretty nice as well, but there's something about that yellow just does it for me. I don't think I've ever done a set where I've used pink with yellow. So this is a first. There we go. Oh, that's nice. And then I think my favourite now is this palm. I don't know what it is. I absolutely love palm tree silhouettes on really bright neon nails. I don't know what it is. I just think, I don't know why, but does it remind you of Vegas? I don't know. No, maybe not Vegas. I don't know. I don't know. I just really like this nail. So while I'm finishing top coating, if you want to get any glitters from Nail Sugar, the information will be in the description box below, but I do have a 10% off code, NatMug10. And then I think today might be the last day, or is it May the 1st? May the 1st, tomorrow, might be the last day of Nailchemy's 20% off sale, by the way. So if you need anything, grab it while it's got 20% off. That's going to save you the VAT, which is always good. There we go. Look at that. Oh, shawing. Right, I'm going to pop these in the lamp to cure for 20... No, where did 20 seconds come from? 30 seconds. And then this is the finished set. I'm going to turn them upside down. I was doing this and I was like, hang on, they're upside down. There we go. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave me a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. Yeah, it's nearly Friday. Oh yeah, that's what happens when you buff too much. The top coat doesn't like to stick to the acrylic. Don't. There we go. Anyway, I will see you beautiful lot tomorrow with a new video. I hope you're having an amazing week. Yeah, take care. Toodles.